meet Lola. Need to meet cousin Lola.
No, come here, Lola.
Okay. Okay. Don't be scared. See if there's a reaction. Oh my goodness.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Ready, baby? Look who's here. Look.
Gentle, Lola.
She put her hand.
So far, she hasn't even paid attention. Well, says, let me go. I need to say hello. How am I supposed to say hello?
Oh, that's a lot of kissing.
Oh, Lola loves. Is she doing anything?
Oh, she's smiling so far.
Oh, do you want me to hold her so you can see what she does?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Lola, you wait.
I feel pooping.
I knew it!
Change. Before it gets a leak.
Her face.
Oh, okay. She's smacking the Christmas tree.
Lola, look.
Smacking the Christmas tree.
It's okay.
Hey, Lola. It's Zoe. Zoe, what do you think, huh? Oh no! What do you think? You want to touch her?
She looks happy. I love that. Oh.
You
Want to touch Lola? She likes it.
Oh, good. Oh.
You like it? You like Lola? Lola's soft and clean.
Good girl, Lola.
Soft. Soft, baby. Isn't that fun?
Yay! Oh, she looks happy.
Yeah.
She goes, I remember Lola.
Lola, are you done already?
I remember Lola.
Look at Zoe. Say happy birthday to Zoe.
Oh.
You're making it very hard to video.
Oh, me?
Yeah, because you keep
Well,
turning away.
Because Lola's doing a lot of licking. I just wanna...
Yeah. They're
Hey,
Lola
Lola, come
licks.
here.
They're not like Ronin licks.
Lola, come here. Lola, come here. Lola, sit. Lola, sit. Oh, good girl. Good girl. What do you think, huh? What do you think? Do you like doggy kisses?
No.
Do you like doggy kisses?
That's funny, Lola.
Oh! Oh! To look at her eyes, she's like, oh gosh, that's a lot. Okay. Okay, very good.
Change.
Good job.
She needs a little wipe down now.
Oh.
Good job.
Yay, we got Lola. Yay, first doggy.
We can do some pictures in a little bit.
Okay. Ooh,
Are you pooping?
no more pooping.
Oh, were
so
you
exciting.
so brave? You were.
So exciting, I'm pooping my pants. Yay, good job, baby.
Let's take a picture of you three together.
Okay.
Okay, Lola, sit.